Good morning sa tanan, mahayong buntag. Nahuman ako og zumba na nagpasingot kay wala man ko'y trabaho tapos na ako naglimpyo. So yun ang kanong Sunday karon.
I want to watch it. What rinse it down first? So this one, tray soap. Yep. How you made anyway?
Yeah, I've been alright.
So I thought when I was coming home, I thought, how did you going to get home?
I would have
Okay, nakalibre kami ng washing. Thank you. Naam ko diri sa car wash. Cleaning my car. For free. Thank you. So, libre, hindi kami nagbabayad. Libre talaga siya. Wow, self-service car. What broom? I thought you're the one who cleaned it and I'm the audience. I don't know. Ay! Just flash me.
Get a broom. I'll wash it. Yeah.
No, it's okay. No, that's plenty. Thank you. It's a free car wash. Because it's your car. Riz, darling, Riz, Rob, you do the video and I'll do the... Come on.
I don't want to do a better job.
Just do the video. Come on.
Hurry up. Yeah. How do I know it's not even working? Hurry up, have one go. I want to do that. I don't like this. Bloody women.
You're hopeless, darling. It's in your face.
Oh. I'm not a TikToker. I'm not a YouTuber.
Finish.
Yeah.
You do the job now.
Do a better job.
So this is the place. We're here at Elephant Wash. Dairy. So yan guys, ang sobra ka maayuhon kay sa Tagiya nakalibre mi og mga 11 minutes. So, mga 11 minutes pa ang nalibre namo, mga half na $20 something sa siguro. So ang bait-bait talaga. So yan. So limpyo na kaayo jud o. At saka libre pa jud. Salamat iWash Elephant Wash. Thank you so much. So what are you waiting for guys? Elephant Wash at Dairy. So good talaga yung service ng may-ari. So all my Filipino friends here in Australian Filipino friends here in Nara and Dairy, This is a good place to come para sa maglinis kayo ng car nyo. So, and then after kayo maglinis at kung nagugutom kayo, mayroon red roaster dyan na bibilhan at mayroon ding coals. So, yan. $1.99 ang mahal talaga na. This is Buma Dairy. Wow, yellow roses. Date. So, pupunta na tayo sa return and earn. Dadaan tayo sa school. This is what's this one school? Public school, darling? They're at the
I've
behind.
got to move over because I'm stopping and starting for this car.
Ah, okay. Behind there.
I'll let the car go first.
Okay. Where's the hell is that? Far out.
Where is it? It's not here. I don't know what you're saying.
So there is na wala pa dyan sa among return and earn. Ano ba yan? So yan, dito tayo. Next stop is nag-return and earn. Guman, mawali na mi. We're home, mga beautiful friends. So that's our kind of date, bonding with my husband because we were both busy. So please watch my vlog, my videos. See you next time, bye.